In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel Kindle Unlimited even if you applied for a 30-day trial. Firstly, open a web browser and go to Amazon.com. In the top right corner, click Hello Sign In to access your account. Enter your email or phone and password to log in. Once logged in, hover to the accounts and lists at the top. In the drop-down, click Kindle Unlimited or visit Amazon.com/Kindle Unlimited. On the Kindle Unlimited page, look for Manage Membership on the left sidebar. Click the Cancel Kindle Unlimited Membership link. Amazon will show the list of books you've borrowed. If you're sure, just click Cancel Membership to finalize. Your subscription remains active until your current billing cycle ends, and after that, you lose access to any borrowed Kindle Unlimited books. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.